We're not just a passive research institution. Our research takes many forms, and some of that is experimental. We're here at the U of M Biostation in the far northern tip of the Lower Peninsula, testing different approaches to aspen management in response to the changing climate that we're experiencing in this part of the world. We are reaching a point with our climate when we can't pretend that it's not changing. We have an ethical duty to pursue our research mission in that it will further scientifically informed management as our climate continues to change. The biostation is 10,000 acres and it's over 100 years of continual research, and for most of that time it's been pretty hands-off. We want to create a forest that has a more heterogeneous composition. We wanted a greater mixture of species. We wanted more stand ages present on this landscape so that we don't just have this whole smear of 100-year-old aspen, but we have patches of different ages that's basically good for wildlife, good for climate change, good for continued carbon storage.
I think the neatest thing about this project is taking theory and putting it into action. Taking something so dynamic as a forest and being able to manage it to help create a more resilient forest in the face of climate change.
Today I study plots that were managed 50, 60, 80, and 100 years ago. And I'm grateful to those people for having the foresight then to do a burn plot, to do a pruning study, to do some manipulation that people who come later can then come and learn from. And that's one of the motivations for this project.